With Infinite Design Marketing, and this is a quick overview of your website CMS. So here we are on your home page, and currently, because you're not live yet, we have this big long URL. Once you're live, of course, it'll end right here at .com. So the same will apply. What we're going to do to get to the content management system is we're going to copy, open a new tab, and paste the URL right here. Then right after that / we're going to type in CMS in lowercase. So here we are, all logged in, and I will be sending you a login. This is the dashboard page. Now the dashboard page has some news and updates, which if you're not hosting on our servers, they'll just stay the same. It won't hurt anything. You have some quick buttons: create a page, file manager, and image manager. And then you have this recent activity. This is a great way to see last time you made updates, or if you had someone make some changes for you, you can always see who made them and when. So it gives you the title of the page in the system, the type of page that it is, who posted it, and the date, or who made changes to it. Over here we have a very simple menu system. Makes it very easy to use. Of course, the dashboard, pages, menu, images and files, banners, store, 301 redirects, and users. And we'll start here at the bottom and go up, or we may skip around a little bit. I'm just going to give you a quick overview in this video of what each item is. So for users, that's where we would go in and we would set up a user for you. And it's very simple. You can see right now we have Dustin and myself. Dustin is co-author of the system, and he's my senior software engineer, so he's in here, and so am I. You can remove me if you want to. A lot of the times it's nice to leave me in there in case you need me to do something for you on the fly. That's always a good way. Most people are really pretty good at using this system pretty quickly. It'll take you a week maybe to get used to it, but it's pretty quick. So it's up to you whether or not you leave me in there. If you click the word view, it will give you an idea of things you can do when you assign users. So when you make a new user, you always want to, after you've added the new user, go in there and click view and set this. If you don't, they'll only see the dashboard tab over here when they log in. So if that happens, don't be alarmed. Log back in as yourself and then go in here and check whatever you want them to do. Now there may be some items on here that don't relate to your site because this is kind of a default item that's based on whatever a person may have purchased. So if you want someone to just edit changes to the pages or the menus, you only want them to upload media, you can go ahead and give them status of what you want them to do here. And you would click here to add a new user. And just fill out this information. You can actually put their email, their name, and make up a password, and you'll be fine. The system will let you know if the password is strong or not. 301 redirects is something where if you need it, you'll give us a holler and then we'll give you a little information on it. It's very, very easy to use. Basically what it means is, you know what, I had this page up for 3 months. It's being found in Google, but we're not going to use that page anymore. We're taking it down. Rather than having the search engines come up with a page of your site that's not found, you can add a rule in here that says, copy the old URL, the one that you're taking down. It might be just, highgradeglassart.com / summer sale, something like that. And you're not going to use it anymore. So you would put that address in on existing URL, and you would say redirect to, and maybe it's the contact page, maybe it's the home page. You choose, you put it in there, and that helps your search engines to not have your site pages that you remove be not found. So let's skip up here now to pages. In pages, you can create a new page or manage a page. I like to click on manage pages because I can create a new page right here if I want. Now what you'll see in pages is that there are folders that pretty much match your navigation. Here, and of course down here at the bottom of the page where we have some customer service information. How the system works, and we'll talk more about that in the how to create a page video, is every section or every type of page is going to have its own folder, and then inside of that folder will be the page. So here we have the About Us, and then if you had a company file page, the company file page would be there. So you can see that every individual page is actually called index.php, and not to worry, we'll go into that a little further. So let's go into that About Us page and take a quick look. I come over here and I click Action on the page that I want to edit. And you can see I have Edit, Duplicate, Delete, and Preview. I like to preview in that separate tab up here. It's a little faster to me. I rather do that and keep the CMS on the pages that I want. So let's go in really quickly and edit. You can see here that you have a lot of information, and I always like to start at the top. Page is live. It's on the sitemap. If it's a page on your website that you want people to view, it should be on your sitemap. If it's not on the sitemap, it means it won't be crawled and it won't be considered part of your site. This is your page URL. So here you can see there's that folder name and then the page name. So if you wanted in the About Us section to add testimonials, that page would be About Us / testimonials / index.php. But we'll make that one next, so not to worry. About Us is the page title as you will see it in the system, and also how it will show in Google search results. The description is for Google search results, so you want to write a free little ad about each page. And I would keep it at 150 characters with spaces. There's a tool in Microsoft Word to help you with characters and spaces. The keywords are only relevant throughout the website's system. So these keywords are not search keywords because they're not used in that way anymore, but it works directly with your search on your website, so internal. Down here you see what we call as a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. This is a type of editor. It's what they call all editors. And here you have that lorem ipsum text that's just placeholder text for now. And in here you just want to type away. You have bold, italics, underscore, all of the different alignments and bullets. You have styles and fonts and sizes, color and highlighting, images. If you want to upload an image, you click here. You can browse the server if you've already uploaded, or you can upload here and you're good to go. And it will put the image right here on the page. You can link items, and again, we'll go into this in detail, clicking, putting in the URL. If it's with an email or within the site, etc., you can put it right in there. And then down the bottom of the page, you can save as a draft, or if the site is live already, you can just save and it will publish it live. Let's take a look at the Menus tab really quickly. In the Menus tab, you'll see that it has an order. This order directly reflects the order across here. So if you wanted to change the order, you see these double arrows? I won't do it, but you just drag them and drop them. And then you go to the page and you refresh, and it will show you the change. It's very, very simple to use. Images and files, they have separate sections in the file structure, and what you want to do in files is Word documents, PDFs, .movs if you want movies. It's better to stream them though, I will add, because it weighs down your site download for users. And okay, PDFs, .movs, PowerPoint, anything like that that's a file. Images, your JPEGs, your PNGs, that type of a thing. And you have a nice little editor here, and you can see that what we've done is we've made a folder for banners, for the footer, for all homepage images, accessories, mulchers, papers, water pipes. So as you build that section, and we'll give you a little video on that, you will want to create more folders here. So let's just take a look at this. We're in water pipes, and I'm going to click water pipes. Look at that. There's all the images I've uploaded using the names that you gave us. And then because we have the zoom, we make 2 versions, and here are the same ones listed here, but with the word large. Some have an N because when I was playing around, I wanted a new version. So that's what those are, until I had managed to get them to work the way that I thought was what you were looking for. So that's a quick look at that. Banners, this is for the homepage animation banners. They're in here as banner 1 through 5. You can add a new banner by simply clicking here and filling out this information, and we'll have a video on that as well. You can also change the banner settings, and what that means is maybe you don't want it to fade, you want it to fold. Or maybe you want it random, all kinds of different things. Maybe you want a rainbox grow effect. It's all up to you. You can save it, look at it, maybe you like it, maybe you don't, and you can change it back. The store, again, we'll do a whole video on the store. You've got manage main categories, subcategories, manage products, coupons, and view orders. We'll do one today on managing products for you, and that way you can get started in adding products. So I'll just take a quick look at one of these products here for you. And you can see here's your product name, the category. You can enter a SKU, the price, the weights for shipping. You need that for your shipping to work. How many you have in stock. If you had a number in that spreadsheet, I added it. If you didn't, I put somewhere between 1 and 10. And down here is your image and your large version for the zoom effect. And over here is where you add your additional images, large and small. And to do that, you simply click in this space and it opens up that editor. If you've uploaded the image already, you can pick it, or you can click here and upload, and you just upload right from your system. Very simple and easy to use. Let's get on to the next video.